3. How much can you carry? The clever donkey and his heavy sack. Sandesh has a donkey. It carries sacks full of salt on its back. On the way to the market, they have to cross a river. One day, while crossing the river, the donkey slipped and fell into the river. When it got up, the sack felt very light. Guess why the sack felt lighter? Comment this. The donkey was very happy. This also gave it an idea. Next day, while crossing the river, the clever donkey decided to take a dip. This time, Sandesh understood the donkey's trick. Ha! Let me teach it a lesson. Next day, Sandesh put sacks of woolen cloth in place of salt. Now, what would happen to the donkey when it dipped into the river? Why? Comment this. As reading skills are not yet fully developed in young children, pictographs serve as visual aids. Children also enjoy pictographs. Raju wants to ride a seesaw. Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. Rani comes to help Raju, but still Raju cannot ride it. Can you tell why? Circle the correct answer. Comment this. Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani? Comment this. Heavier. Aslam comes to help them. Look at the picture. Can you tell why the seesaw turned this way? Comment this. Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani and Aslam together? Comment this. Raju is lighter than Rani and Aslam. I have an idea. Let me keep my bag with me. We are all enjoying the ride. Heavier or lighter? Which of the two things will make the seesaw go down? Look at the example. Draw a line to match the heavier one. Color the one which is lighter. Do this. Lighter, lighter. Before doing this activity, let children compare weight of different things by holding them in their hands. Chotu monkey and the carrots. Chicky and Mickey rabbit saw a bag. It had carrots in it. Chicky and Mickey started fighting. I will take bigger carrots. No, I am bigger, so I will take bigger carrots. Chotu monkey came to help them. We want to share the carrots equally between us, but some carrots are big and some small. What do we do? Can I help you? Chotu monkey brought something to help them. Guess and tell what Chotu monkey used to help Chicky and Mickey. Draw a picture of it in the monkey's hand. Do this. Find out your parents buy carrot for the family. How much do they buy at one time? Comment this. How does the vegetable seller weigh the carrots? Comment this. How much can Simran carry? Simran's father needs to move some things from the store of their house to the kitchen. Simran wants to help her father. Guess which bag Simran can carry? Comment this. Guess who can carry what? Her father. Comment this. Her mother. Comment this. Her younger sister. Comment this. Can Simran carry any two of these bags together? If yes, which ones? Comment this. Which bags can you carry? Guess. Comment this. I can carry a grain of sugar bigger than myself. Match the picture of the animal with the thing it can carry. Crow, leaf, elephant, woods, donkey, sugar, dog, bull.